Hi everyone, this is Linda from the duchesskitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a simple brine to brine your chicken wings. But before then, I'm to show you how to cut your chicken wings and get them ready to for it to be brine. So you just look for a ridge in between the wing and the tie over there and just cut it as I did in the video. And into the bowl, we're going to add our salt, some pepper flakes, black pepper. You can also use white pepper, that's what we have, and some sugar. And fine, stir everything together. And then so that our chicken can cover the chicken. Do is just put our chicken in and sure the water covers everything. We cover this and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. This can go for about 24 hours, but don't go beyond that. After the 2 hours, our chicken is ready to move on to the next stage. So just take them out of the brine. So after that, you have to dispose the brine because it can be used again. What you have to do is to wash the chicken. Then they soak a lot of salt, so you can rinse it a little bit to get all a little bit of salt off the chicken. And what you're going to do after washing is to pat it dry so that whilst you cook it, it will not be a soggy chicken. So now chicken is ready. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video on how to use this chicken for baking. Thank you for watching. Bye.